there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the back post double crochet. And this is how it looks like from the front. And this is the back. To make a back post double crochet, yarn over and then from the back to the front, insert your hook around the stitch below. So it looks like this. And then yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And this is how the back post double crochet looks like. Let's make another one. Yarn over, insert your hook from back to front around the post below. Yarn over, pull up a loop. And now make your double crochet as usual. One more, yarn over, insert your hook around the stitch post below, pull up a long loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how you make a back post double crochet.